Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the exact steps to go from a new account to get your first project in Alignerr. Step 1. Complete your profile and skill tags. First, don't just leave your profile blank. Navigate to your profile settings. Add every relevant skill, especially in coding, writing, or specialized languages, because Alignerr's algorithm matches projects to these tags first. If your profile is empty, the system won't even flag you for an assessment. Step 2. Check your assessment tab. This is probably the most important step. You will usually see a test related to the role you applied for, like generalist or coder, and most Alignerr tests have 80% or 50% passing threshold. Take your time, stay focused, and ensure your internet is stable. You often only get one shot at this. Step 3. Complete the onboarding checklist. Once you pass the test, your dashboard will update with a checklist. You must complete the identity verification and sign the NDA. Until those legal documents are signed, the project tab will remain locked even if you pass your test. Step 4. Join the workspace. Alignerr uses external workspaces to communicate projects launches. First, look for an invite link in your email or dashboard to join your Slack or Discord community. Projects are often announced there before they show up on the platform. Being active in this channel is the best way to be notified when tasks are available. Step 5. The wait and refresh phase. Now you understand when the projects are gonna come, so if your dashboard says no projects available, it means the current batch is full. Keep your tab open and keep refreshing during peak hours. Once a project matches your skill set and slots opens up, it will appear instantly. Make sure to follow these steps, pass those tests, and you'll be earning on Alignerr. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.